Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Just a new day, and the other video I was trying to change their backup camera, and nothing happened, just problems. Now the car has been standing in the hot weather for almost 24 hours. I was in now and just trying to do a old-fashioned simple system of setting up the lines for the camera. And then I have a backup sensor problem, so it's beeping because of that. And then suddenly, now the camera is working. But I don't have the lines indicating properly the steering wheel. And what you was supposed to do before on all the model, you have to tell the sensor how it's working. On this car, you can't do it like that. You can't just twist it one way and wait 5 seconds and then the other way and it will set it up itself. It don't work. Sorry about I'm just using my mobile phone on the... Yeah, it's not working perfectly. Like in one other video, I was showing that you have a secret menu. You have to push menu and then turn off and off, on off 3 or 4 times, and then you get up a secret menu. So now I just have to do it. Sorry about this, is not going to be a good video. Push in here, on, there. Now I get up a function menu, function check. I go with my controller, function check, camera setting, steering wheel angel. There. Yeah. Then I'm going completely over. What shocks me a little is not that I don't get up any more thing there. Back camera setting. I don't get any information up anymore. Now I'm just doing the steering dance here too. They haven't get up anything. There, I hold it in. Signal checking everything. I should get up a menu telling me something more. Max steering and angel memorize. Okay. I should have had someone to help me holding the model. I should have someone help me. I'm not sure if I do it right. Just holding in. Here are supposed to be center. Holding in my buttons. Just holding it out. Yeah, let's see. Go back. It's a lot of setting here. Back. And then to get out of this menu again. It's very, very warm out today. This is Norway and we have 34 degrees Celsius plus today up here in middle of Norway. It's not normal. This weather have been like this for many days now. There. I haven't been able to do the setup. So you see in the picture on the side there, one of my sensors is ruined, so I have to fix that. But at least the backup camera is coming. Okay, now I just have to put in a back plate in the car here and things. And first I just want to shut up this sensor. Off. I don't have to listen to that. Yeah. Kind of crazy. Yesterday when I put things together back here, nothing was working. Now I have to put the whole backing plate in its place again and hope that everything is working now. Looks like that. Yeah. Thank you. Please come back. Please start following my channel. This is, what's it, video 7 or 8 about the RX450. I'm going to come more how to fix the backup sensor, how to change the battery on one of the key. That could be something for someone to see. And then come service jobs more. I have changed filters both inside in the car and in the engine bay. I have to change oil and oil filter. And I have to change some on the suspension, lower carrying arms, A-arms as I call them. Someone call them breech. I got them, so I just have to be a little better shape before I can start with things like that. Yeah, thank you. Please come back. Please start follow the channel. Please put a like and put some comments. Thank you.